In this video, I'll show you how you can download offline Google Maps. So once you open up Google Maps, go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Then on the fourth button down, you should see offline maps, which you can click on. This will then open up your maps. You may see some already existing maps or recommended maps. If you want to create your own map, click select your own map at the bottom, and it will then open in your location or a location that you've searched for on Google Maps. You can then zoom in to any area that you want to download the maps for. You can see how much space that will take up on your phone to download it. So this specific area will take up 45 megabytes. You can, however, scroll out quite a bit and get in whole countries. Once you've selected your area, go to download and you'll then see it start to download. You can exit out of this if needed, as well as go to the pen icon in the top right hand corner and name it. Once downloaded, you'll see your downloaded maps and you can go ahead and click on them and update if needed. Otherwise, it will just work inside of Google Maps when you have no data or internet.